Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by confirming you're signed into the correct Apple ID and that iCloud Photos is enabled. Open the Photos app or visit iCloud. And sign in. This ensures you're acting on the right library. Once done, decide whether you want deletions to remove images from every device or just the local device. This matters because iCloud Sync will propagate changes. Make sure to back up any images you want to keep before deleting so recovery isn't required later. Now you'll pick the photos to remove. On iPhone or iPad, tap Select and Tap Images. On Mac, use Click plus Shift or Command to choose ranges or specific files. On iCloud, click Photos, select, then Delete. When you delete, items move to Recently Deleted so you can restore within 30 days. This is why it's safe for accidental deletes. If you want permanent removal, empty Recently Deleted. Make sure you understand which devices are synced so you don't lose unexpected content. Finish by emptying Recently Deleted to permanently free iCloud space. Open Recently Deleted and choose Delete All. You'll want to verify sync status in Settings under your name, then iCloud right arrow Photos so you know changes propagated. If something goes wrong, like items reappearing or deletions not syncing, sign out and back in, update your device software, and try deleting from iCloud. This often resolves sync mismatches. If needed, check storage usage to confirm space actually freed up.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.